What is a coerced confession in Miranda v. Arizona? Imagine being in a situation where you are questioned by law enforcement officers, and the words they use, the tone they take, or the circumstances surrounding your questioning make you feel pressured or forced to admit to something you might not have done willingly. This is the core idea behind a coerced confession. In the landmark case of Miranda v. Arizona, the United States Supreme Court examined how confessions obtained under certain conditions could violate a person's constitutional rights. A coerced confession occurs when a suspect's statement is made because of threats, physical force, psychological pressure, or deception that overcomes their free will. For example, if an officer uses aggressive tactics, such as prolonged questioning without breaks, threats of harm, or promises of leniency in exchange for a confession, these tactics can lead to a confession that is not truly voluntary. The court recognized that confessions obtained through such methods are unreliable and can lead to wrongful convictions. In the case of Ernesto Miranda, the suspect was subjected to intense police interrogation without being informed of his rights. The court found that the confession he gave was not made voluntarily, but was instead the result of coercive tactics. As a result, the court established the principle that individuals must be informed of their rights before being questioned by law enforcement. These rights include the right to remain silent and the right to legal counsel. The ruling in Miranda v. Arizona led to the creation of what are now known as Miranda rights, which law enforcement officers are required to read to suspects before interrogation. These rights are designed to protect individuals from involuntary confessions and to ensure that any statement made is truly voluntary. If a confession is found to be coerced, it cannot be used as evidence in court because it violates the constitutional protections against self-incrimination and the right to due process. In summary, a coerced confession in the context of Miranda v. Arizona is a statement made under pressure or duress that undermines the suspect's free will, rendering the confession inadmissible in legal proceedings. The case emphasized the importance of safeguarding individual rights during police interrogations to prevent wrongful convictions based on involuntary confessions.